I promised you guys I was gonna make a part 2 for the light bar install, that light bar right there, but I never got to it. So this is gonna be a quick tour part 2 or 3, 4, whatever you want to call it, of me showing you what the light bar looks like installed and everything, and actually turned on. And what I did is I called the weather people and I told them, hey, I need the sun, probably the sun, to go out for a few minutes so I can show these people. And they said it's fine, so within a few seconds it'll be dark. It'll be like 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so thanks to the Weather Channel for making this happen. There's a light bar right there. You can see what it looks like out front. I want to put the light bar behind just a little bit. I mean, not behind, but I want to push the light bar forward just a little bit so it looks a little bit better, because it's kind of too far out. And I also got to change the pitch of the light, because if you look, I think it's pointing down a little bit too much. So I wanted to point it up just a hair, about less than a 1/4 inch. So there you go. There you have it. That's what it looks like. And that's what it looks like up front. I wanted to turn it off so you see the difference. Hold on a second. I'll show you. You'll see the difference now. That's a light on, light off, light on. And you see that difference right there. Anyway, so thanks for watching. Sorry that it's too dark. I'm using my phone like I told you guys. I'm gonna post the link again on the description so you guys can see the light bar and the little harness that I bought, both from Amazon. All together it's less than $100, and you guys see the results right now. So far it's working really good, and for less than $100 for a light like that, it's all right. I know some of the better quality lights are probably way over $1,000. I didn't want to pay that much with $1,000. I figured I can even do my headlights. So anyways, thanks for watching again, and like I said, there you go. Have a good one now.